All right, let's look at our solve it. It's got 3 questions, A, B, and C, so we got to kind of move through them. So Latoya cut a circle into 8 equal sections and arranged the pieces to form a shape that resembles a parallelogram. So you can kind of see she took these, cut them out, and you can see that the shape we have is pretty much a parallelogram. So it's pretty cool what she was able to create here. How is the base length of the new shape related to the circumference of the circle? So here's my base. So we're taking the arches of all these green ones. So we start here and we go around. So circumference is the distance all the way around. So our base is 1/2 of the circumference. And you can see that's written up here as well because these are of equal length, 1/2 circumference. So now we can go to the next question, part B. How is the height of the new shape related to the radius of the circle? It already kind of shows us, but if I was to create the height, I'd draw in a right angle and I'd find the height, right? But what I'm really doing is taking any one of these slices and going from the center of the circle to the center of its arch. So that's really a radius. So its height equals the radius. Its base equals 1/2 of the circumference. That information is going to be useful when we move into part C. So since the new shape was made from a circle, using the information from the diagram and the formula for the area of a parallelogram, so step 1, we're going to write down a formula, area equals base times height. We're going to use this to discover the area of a circle. So we have our base as 1/2 the circumference. We have our height as the radius. So now let's substitute what we know. When we substitute, we're not always just substituting in numbers. We can substitute in variables. So we have the base is 1/2 the circumference. And then our h is our radius. So now we also could do more substitution because circumference, as indicated here, circumference is 2 pi r. So I'm going to kind of get rid of that c, saying that the area is 1/2. Circumference is 2 pi r. And we still have this other r we need to bring down. So what I've really done is I've substituted in for c this mess right here, right? And the r still comes down. So now let's go ahead and solve or simplify this. Area equals, so we have 1/2 times 2. Well, that's just 1. I can put like an imaginary 1 there. We've got pi, and we've got radius times radius. Well, radius times radius is radius squared. So to sum it all up, our area of a triangle is pi r squared.